Hey, good evening, everybody. It's Meshell Baker, Vision Master Strategist. So I'm going to be talking a little bit low because I am still at the hospital with my sister, and I don't want to disturb her. And I still wanted to keep my commitment and come to you and invite you to next Wednesday, 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to be on the inaugural episode of my fellow masterminder, Brian Wright's The Value Project. It is an amazing time we're going to have together in co-creation. And one of the things we've truly enjoyed is being part of a group of people who actually love and grow. All we do is love and grow, love and grow, love and grow. And it's been absolutely amazing. And we just want to tell you about the energy and the things that happen when you're in a group of like-minded, powerful, forward-thinking people and what you can create for your life. So one of the things I came up with was an acronym for dreams, because what are we doing most of the day? We're daydreaming, we're thinking about what we want, what we wish we had, how it could be, what I could have did different. So we're in a dream state most of the time anyway. So I created this acronym, and yesterday was D, and I talked about diffuse difficulties, because when you're in a group of like-minded people, they empower you to get more creative and more curious about your situation and create your own outcomes. So you diffuse the difficulties and challenges and hardships in your life. And what I've noticed is that over time, everyone who enters our community stops using the word hard, because they've learned to diffuse their difficulties. The letter today is R, because we're doing dreams, and R is relevant resources. And interestingly enough, as I came up with this and was getting ready to go live, I was like, I think it's actually relevant resourcefulness, because one of the things I love that Tony Robbins says is not the lack of resources, because Americans, we're the richest country on the face of this earth. It is the lack of resourcefulness. It's that people are complaining about their current circumstances and they're not able to see what they actually have and how to use it. I tell people I'm a MacGyver all day long, because I have no lack of resources. I don't even think scarcity. I'm always about how to create a solution, how to do something and get to where I'm going, because nothing and no one is going to stop me from my destiny. So when you're in a group of people, I used to have to think of this on my own. Now I get to think of it with a group of people. So I get to hear all the amazing ways other people have MacGyvered their situations, and it embeds and imprints on my mind. So when it's time to do something, I have all these ideas and inspiration that immediately pop up, because we are the average of the 5 people we spend the most time with. Jim Rohn quote. So, hey, Andrew, babe. Hey, Tom. Hey, Shelly. How are you? So again, I am so excited about talking and sharing my compadre, Brian Wright, with you guys. So it's going to be next Wednesday, 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So it'll be on the same bad channel. You guys have an amazing Friday night, and I'll come back and I'll tell you about the E tomorrow. Have a great evening and see y'all later.